early on, we obviously, as a company, we had 3 service offices. We actually serviced Detroit out of Grand Rapids, so that was a little fun. But I do recall way back knowing SEI's entire parts inventory in my head, which is crazy considering how many parts pieces we have today. So we finally got an engineer in Detroit, thank God, so I wasn't driving myself and Dwight Strayer. We're not driving of all hours of the day and night back and forth to Detroit. But I'd get a call from the engineer over there, and he would say, "Hey, I'm looking for." I'd be like, "Okay, it's on the shelf." You know, it was pretty easy to find out because we had literally like one part shelf, and he'd go through. I was like, "No," you went, "Oh wow, okay, cool, there it is," and he pulled up, and sure enough, that part was on the shelf. So thankfully, we not only outgrew my brain capacity to keep track of all the parts pieces, but we found other people to do a much better job than that, and maybe partly why I'm no longer part of inventory.